y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video I will be showing you guys how I do my self at home photo shoots. This time it is a little bit different since I'm doing it at night, so the lighting isn't as even as I'd want it to. My first home self photo shoot, I was in like the little green hat and the shirt, and that one was super cute during the day. So in this video I really want to show you guys how I set up my at home photo taking studio. The concept of this shoot was all things jeans, so I have on a full little jean outfit and I put some cute things together. You know, now that I have an Instagram, I want to become even more intentional with creating content and creating different looks and showing my creativity and everything I do. So I did record this makeup look. I recorded another playlist, Get Ready With Me. Yeah, I want you guys to know that it is very attainable to take your own pictures by yourself in your house without leaving. In any weather I can take pictures. If it's cold, I can wear my little dresses. If it's hot, I can put on a sweater. I can do whatever I want to do because I'm in a controlled environment. And I do want to work on getting a bigger sheet because this sheet is not big enough. I need like a king size to really fit how I need to fit. But this is really a inexpensive way to do at home photo shoots. It's just getting you a bed sheet from the dollar store or from Walmart. This stand was actually gifted to me, but I think they just got it off Amazon. My ring light. The key to this is your remote. One thing I definitely want to start doing is using my back camera. So the next time I do a photo shoot, I will try to use my back camera and like set up a mirror, because your back camera is just way better quality. So I'm gonna try to take some pictures without me looking at them, but I really just want to get that best quality. Let's just hop right into it. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know how you take your pictures. If you enjoyed this video, leave all that in the comments down below. I respond to every comment, and I'm gonna try to put like some of the pictures in the end of this video, but for sure it's gonna be in the thumbnail. So let's just hop into how I get this done. Alright you guys, so if you could not tell, I'm hopping right into it, and I am setting up my backdrop thingy. So I've been having this for a couple years, but I'm just now getting into really using it how I should be using it. Now that I have an Instagram, I have been more intentional on taking my pictures and creating content. I'm going to be transforming this little space in my mom's salon. So you're going to watch me put this up and do all that other stuff. So just keep on watching, but I'm gonna like talk through and explain what I'm doing. Now that that's together, I'm gonna put the backdrop on there, and I think I'm gonna go with white. And this is just a bed sheet. Like, I'm trying to put y'all on, okay? This is a bed sheet. I could have ironed it, but I really need a steamer. That's probably what this calls for, a steamer. Hey y'all, it's Editing Michaela here from the future, and I want to mention that you guys can definitely use a bed sheet and literally just tape it to your wall. You do not have to have a stand like the one I have here. You can use duct tape, any type of painter's tape, and tape fabric to your wall, and you will get this exact same effect. Like I said, I'm always about doing things on a budget and doing it cost effective. So don't forget that you can just tape a bed sheet to your wall, you guys. So now that my background is up, I brought some other little things to help me get this together. I brought a rug because, like I said, we're just using things around the house, because you want to like have something to stand on so you can get like some of your feet in the picture, because last time I didn't put anything down and I wish I would have. Kind of like that, okay? You just setting up the area. You getting the vibes now? I also brought a crate, and I want to like drape that in denim also. Put this over it. Okay, that really don't look bad. I'm just winging it. I had the idea of the crate, so I'm just making it happen. So this is the little box. I think I was out of frame, but this is the box that I just did. Sorry, my heater is on because it's cold. Like, if you can kind of see the vibes, I'm going to be sitting on this. All right, so this is literally how quick I got this little area together. It literally took me no time. So basically, I'm going to be like sitting on this, kind of like this. Yeah, you kind of see a little bit. I'm gonna be sitting on it, doing all that, but I just wanted like a denim box. Right now you're just seeing my legs, but you get it. Kind of like this, like, you know, I just wanted some type of little box to sit on and to like prop a leg up, do what I need to do. But I wanted it to be jean to go with the backdrop and everything. So now that I've created a little set, and like I said, I always do it right here next to this chair, so I can kind of like put things down, pick it up, do what I need to do. So I get my iPhone tripod. Okay, so right now y'all are on my ring light. Like my camera is attached to my ring light, but I have this phone tripod, which is what I take my pictures on. Now, if I had a remote control to go with my camera, then I probably could have taken the pictures on my camera, but I just use my phone because it's easier just to post and make my thumbnails and do what I have to do with it. And doing it this way, like it's almost like 6 o'clock at night. It's pretty late. I can do it at any time I want to do it at, and that's what I was having trouble with. I always want to take photos, but I didn't want to like travel to a location. A lot of people be like going all over the city, and that's okay, but when you're a girl and you like to take your own pictures, it's not really the safest thing to be going all over trying to take some pictures by yourself. So if I can just get it safely in the house, then that's what I'm gonna do. Once I have that set up, I attach my phone. I do it on the front camera, and I like to take the case off just because it grips better and I don't want it to fall off with the case on it. So I put it in there. I'm not the type of girl that's like super, you know, particular about, you know, what setting it is on. Sometimes I do go to portrait, so my background can be a little blurry, but let me show you guys. I like to just make sure I'm checking the light and I have it as bright as I need it to be. I think for this shoot, I'm gonna have to back it up a good little bit because I'm not gonna be close to it at all. Okay, so right now what I was showing you guys, I think the camera cut off. But right now I'm on regular photo, and I just zoomed into 1.4 because look, this is zoomed all the way out. You can see everything. But then as I zoom in, I'm only trying to get the white background. Like I said, it would be easier if my fabric went the whole way through. But this is actually a bed sheet that I cut. I made curtains out of this bed sheet. So like I always say, use everything around the house. This is multi-purposeful. So this was a backdrop, and it's also some curtains hanging up in my bedroom. So that's why I have like the little edges cut out. So I'm just trying to get the middle piece. As you can see, you only see white in it, and I like the brightness of it. If I tilt it down, I'm going to be able to get, you know, some of my box and all that. So that's how I do that. I'll zoom in, and then also, even if you do leave it zoomed out, if I leave it zoomed out to the regular one, I can just crop out what I need to crop out. And I'm going to show you guys examples of my pictures where I have cropped it out, and it looks really good. So like I said, for the portrait mode already zooms in a lot because it's supposed to be just on your face. So you want to make sure you're in the middle square when you're on portrait mode, and they have different things: studio light, natural light. But I basically like to stay in natural light because studio light kind of like smooths your skin a little bit too much for me. Now that I have the lighting correct, and like I said, on my ring light, I can adjust it, make it brighter, make it more warm, all of that. But today I want to go with like a really bright white light. So I'm gonna just zoom in how I need to be zoomed. Make sure my camera is in the middle, and make sure I'm backed up enough. Okay, I always do this first, and then I just get started. So I'm kind of let y'all see me take my pictures, but most of the time when I'm taking my pictures, I'm just listening to music. But one fundamental part I forgot to mention is that I have a remote control that goes with my camera. I have a remote control that goes with my phone, and it came with this tripod actually, and it's Bluetooth. So when I'm taking my pictures, I'm just holding this in my hand and it snaps along for me. So like I said, this photo shoot is completely self-sufficient. I just do my makeup, pick an outfit, and I actually did make this shirt a while back. I made this a while back, and my grandma made this jacket that I'm going to be wearing in it. So I'm just going to be taking these pictures with the remote control, listening to music. So I'm going to let you guys get a little glimpse of that, but I will be taking the pictures on my phone. You can watch the magic happen and see how these pictures come out. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all that I also have my purse. Like, we have a lot going on, but I want these pictures to be cute, okay? If you want to see the results of this photo shoot, please make sure that you're following me on Instagram so you can stay up to date on when these photos are released. I actually edited these pretty nice. I'm kind of proud of myself. I made them look early 2000s inspired. So if you guys would like a video on how I edit my pictures, how I make collages out of my pictures, all type of stuff like that, leave a comment down below and I can definitely get that out to you guys. I'm gonna holla at you in my next video. Mwah. Let's continue. And then I have some material too. Okay, kind of something like that. Can you see it? Bitch, you can't even see it. I have a remote control